Apo Island, the island of turtles. From Dumaguete to Apo, a spontaneous overnight in the rainy season with just 24 hours.
I'm looking for a boat for Apo Island.
Can it match my Egypt dives from last year?
Oh my gosh.
And what could possibly go wrong?
That's more expensive than here.
Let's find out.
Hello.
From Dumaguete, I grabbed a tricycle on the street and rode south towards the Apo Island Tourist Information Center at Malatapai, the jump-off point for boats. It's in Sambongita, just past Dauin. I put the exact Google Maps link in the description. The ride took about an hour in the rain. I paid 600 pesos this morning. On my way back it went up to 800. Prices can vary. If you want to save money, there's also a jeepney or bus to Malatapai market and then a short walk to the pier.
I'm looking for a boat to Apo Island.
Yes.
The pier feels different. Nothing like a fixed ferry by Ocean Jet or Fast Cat. Here you have three choices. Rent a private boat, wait for a public trip, or do the smarter joiner move, ask a group if you can ride with them. I was solo, on a budget, and I'm shy, but I tried the joiner way. The coordinator told me at 9 AM group had one more seat. I waited, said hello, and we clicked fast.
I paid 500 now.
So we swapped WhatsApp so we could sync our return tomorrow. But will that plan actually work, or will I get stranded on Apo Island? You'll see later. By the way, mascara in Bacolod made my ears ring. This banker even louder. Do your ears a favor, earplugs or headphones for the ride. The crossing took about 40 minutes, loosely the same as my tricycle ride from Dumaguete.
You can't hear?
I can't hear.
That's why I have
You had your
earbuds.
too late to find it in the bag.
But you know this already. You're from here, right?
I know.
My God, not prepared. Just kidding.
All right, Joey.
Thank you, Paul. See you. Do you have energy? 6 to 10 at morning?
No, at night time.
At night. Evening. Okay. So this could be my room.
You can check first. There's another one upstairs.
Yeah, but I make everything dirty.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. Not good. Wow, looks nice. Look at this. Beautiful.
Call me naive, but Apo Island is smaller than I expected. This isn't Bohol, not Palawan either. Here's no Starbucks, here's no 7-Eleven. It's a tiny community with just a handful of places to stay and limited electricity in the evenings. I booked liberties for an overnight and choose the top option online. Price showed 1,200 pesos, but when I arrived, this happened.
Oh, nice view. But here's the restaurant, right?
Yeah,
Maybe it's a little
downstairs.
bit busy.
No, not busy.
No?
We have only one guest today.
But I think I take this other. If it's okay.
But that's more expensive than here.
More 1,000?
Yeah, that's 1.5.
1,500? My God. 1,000 more and we have a deal. Okay.
This is a restaurant.
Do you have some vegetarian food?
Yeah, we have.
That's good because I don't eat fish. I think I need to pay this fee, 500 fee.
In Dauin, they gave me a small reset. 120 environmental fee for Apo Island.
Pay this.
But nobody will.
Okay, so you can skip this.
Nobody will ask.
Keep it and just snorkeling. I'm in the hotel room since 1 minute and you come.
I had barely dropped my bag when someone knocked. A local guide.
So you're my tour guide?
My name is Jerome.
Jerome. Hi. And I can see turtles?
Yes.
300 pesos for a snorkel tour, gear included. For Filipinos, it's cheaper, I think 100, but I'm not sure for now. 1 hour in the water and I could keep the mask and fins still late afternoon. They asked me to return it by 5 p.m. For a small island with limited power at night, this felt perfect. No planning, no rentals to chase, just suit up and go see the turtles. And then it finally happened! Right on the beach, steps from my hotel, my long-time dream came true. Snorkeling on the island of turtles. Jerome told me there are 2 kinds of turtles here. Green turtles, the chill grazers you'll see in the shallow water, often just a few meters from shore. And hawksbill turtles, with that sharp hawk-like beak cruising the coral reef. 2 species, 1 tiny island. Apo isn't just about turtles. Look closer. Here's Nemo, reef fish everywhere, and hard and soft corals along the slope. You'll also see the island's scars. Parts of the reef were hit by typhoons in past years, so some corals is sparse in places, but other sections are coming back. It's a small island with a big underwater story.
But the feelings go deeper. I hate living this way.
Turtles, silence, no crowds. A dream I've had for years, now real. And still, there's a detail the internet skips. I've seen it in other cities and islands here in Philippines too, fixed at one thing and places like Apo would shine even brighter. But I reveal the other perspective of the island later.
I'm strong enough to stay. I'm full of joy and pain. We were made this way. I heard the sound of the ocean.
Ventures, I left this morning in heavy rain, expecting the worst. I only have 24 hours to see Apo Island, so a thunderstorm or moody water would be the last thing I need. It's October, still part of the rainy season here, so I kept my hopes low. Jerome told me most visitors come in December and January when the sea is calmer, so yes, it's probably much busier than it is today. But there's one more reason I wouldn't return in rainy season here. I'll tell you at the end of the video, stay with me.
I heard the sound of the ocean.
I could snorkel here all day and never get bored. But I wanted to see more, so I booked a scuba dive for 2,500 pesos, gear and guide included. We did the briefing and then I got nervous. So nervous I cancelled the private dive. My punishment? They gave me bright pink snorkel gear for the rest of the day. Gotcha. Back to the reef, still beautiful, still plenty to see. And if you don't want to dive, no problem. I booked a private boat tour here for 1,000 pesos and loved it. About 1 hour around half the islands with drift, snorkeling in warm current. We are here. We are swimming and snorkeling here. 1,500 is the boat rent. And yeah, I'm so done because so many mosquitoes. So if you're here, use mosquito spray. Yeah, that's so beautiful. You see a lot without going deep, and honestly, for me, diving wasn't necessary. So, Dumaguete, Cebu, Sigio, Apo Island.
Wow! You can see everything here.
Paradise Corals area.
First stop, Paradise Corals. Does it live up to the name? Clear water, gentle current and a lot to explore. Let's find out, one breath at a time.
Paradise Corals area.
Let me be to say my own opinion. I've snorkeled in Hurghada where the coral felt richer. Here at this spot today it's quieter underwater. Not bad, just different. I keep exploring. Maybe Apo's magic shows up at the next reef. Yep, you can spend hours making a fool of yourself just to get Instagram photos. Simple, calm and perfect for a lazy explorer with pink snorkel equipment. Oh my gosh, that was so huge. The turtles and the fish and the corals, it was so nice. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Apo Island feels a bit frozen in time, and that's part of its charm. Here was no air conditioning, no Wi-Fi, and power only in the evening for a few hours, just enough to charge phones and my drone. But editing this YouTube video here, impossible. I had to wait until I got back to the mainland.
Also sari shops here, so you don't need to buy anything on hotel. You can also buy it here on sari shops. 30 pesos, one water. That's fair. This island is in control of Dauin. This is the neighbor city of Dumaguete.
Except for the mosquitoes, probably a rainy season thing, and a limited comfort, this place has its own charm. I was thrilled by the turtles, sometimes I saw two in the same spot, and people here are kind, speak English and they're always helpful. But there's one thing social media doesn't show: litter. I felt this in a few places across the country, from big cities like Manila to small islands like El Nido. I'm not blaming anyone, weather, tides and limited resources all play a role. But if we manage waste better, even more visitors will fall in love with Apo Islands and Philippines.
Bye bye Apo Island.
For me, this island is still a must-see once. Simple, beautiful and very, very real. If you have a bit more budget, a day trip from Dumaguete is the easy way. Hotel pickup in the morning, back by evening. Not necessary to stay overnight. So Ventures, next stop, Sikio. Are you coming with me? Like and subscribe and I'll see you there. Cheerio.